Happy Pride Month!
Firstly, grab your fabric cutout piece, scissors, yarn, and then a highlighter, and then take the cutout piece and trace it on the fabric and then cut it out. After cutting it out, you will have two pieces of the same type. I'm going to stitch it along the broader side, so there's a narrow side and a broader side, so you're going to stitch it along the broad side. After stitching, it will look something like this. So if you open it up, it looks something like this. We'll repeat the process one more time, so you have two pieces of the same thing, and then stitch them right sides in, like the right sides facing each other. Stitch all of the three edges except keep one unstitched, so that we will use that to flip it over, and then the good sides will be out. The shoelace and then cut two pieces out. Flipping the mask right side out, we are going to stitch the two shoelaces on both of the sides.
Subscribers count hasn't been growing ever since 2 months, so please subscribe or else I might die poor. I never really expect anything good to happen in my life, but for once, I hope that we will reach the milestone of 20 subscribers, hopefully.